Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. This is A. John Paul, lecturer in English of Sri Venkateswara College of Arts and Science, Amlapuram, affiliated to Adikavan University, Rajamahendravaram. We have been discussing about the second year, fourth semester CSS paper, communication and soft skills paper. This paper contains 5 units. First unit soft skills is completed. The next unit paragraph writing is completed, and the third unit paraphrasing and summarizing also completed. Now we are discussing about the fourth unit letter writing. The first topic letter writing formal, informal and also completed. The second topic e-correspondence. Already the first introduction classes you have seen. Now the continue of the e-correspondent classes. E-correspondent means E means mail, electronic mail. E-correspondence refers to the corresponding someone using email. With the advent of internet and technology, writing physical letters has become rare. Most of the correspondence is made on email. As you are aware, email is fast and can reach any corner of the world any time of the day. It is not surprising to say that email has converted the world into a global village. This is the introduction of the email correspondence, e-correspondence. These all things are discussed very clearly. Email definition, it means the transformation of information from one system or person to another system or person. Detailed discuss, and the email etiquettes are you have seen, and you saw the number of tips for writing emails and explanation also. Nearly 17 tips are there, and general rules for formal letters and informal letters also explained. So now in this video we are clearly discussing about how to create your email account or email ID. How to create your email account or email ID. First you have open the computer and www. or any Google or Yahoo.com, Google.com or anything website are open. One box or one sheet is open like this. Name, enter your complete name, and the other box in surname. Choose your username. Username means email ID lo first వచ్చే word. Choose that name which like you want. Type here. Create password and choose the numbers or name or letters as you wish, and confirm your password again. The next one is type here date of birth, first month, date and year. This is the computer date, and gender, your confirmation of mobile or Aadhaar linked or updating mobile number. Then you create email address. The first box your username, the second one is website, Gmail or Yahoo, Rediff, like this. Type the text, one box is given. Then location or identifying. It is agree or next step. So then open, create one email ID like this. Here are one email ID is there. johnpaulchode@gmail.com. So this is called completely email ID. This email ID can divide it into 4 things, like first one is the name, John Paul Chode is a username. The next at the rate of is separate username. Separate username means separated by username and website name. Gmail, this is a website domain name, and .com. .com is commercial domain name. The separate username, website domain name, commercial domain name, these three names are called host name. Three things are called host name. And then open the browser, check once, like this file and address www.gmail.com. Open the Gmail website, enter the username and password, open it, then create or compose the email letter. The next box is there, like this. Open one box, compose the left side like a cell phone, have these all features like inbox, started, shots, send mail, drops, all mails, span, trash. And top of the pager box also some columns are there. One is mail, contacts, calendar, notepad, what's new, mobile number, option like this. Send or save a drop, cancel. Like this open. First of all, from already shown here, your email ID from means to the recipient email ID. Type here recipient email ID. CC means carbon copy. BCC means blind carbon copy. Subject and attachment. After that, use the greetings, dear sir, like this. Write the body of the letter. The left side of the subscription. Don't use apostrophe before S or after S. And sign and open the box and write to the your name in capital letters. So an email letter has the following components. Component we already we saw. Components from to CC, BCC, subject, attachment. From means the sender of the message will type his or her email address here. Email address here. The second one is to. To means this is for the email address of the recipient. More than one address can be written separated by commas. Separated by commas. The next one is CC. Carbon copy or copy to copy. This is for a list of addresses to which you want to send copies of your message. And BCC means blind carbon copy. The recipient's addresses typed here will not be seen by other recipients. Use this if you don't want the address to know the identity of those you are keeping in forward. This is the meaning of BCC and CCC. Select as your wish, or BCC or CCC. Either one. The next one is subject. This is for the subject of the message. Don't leave this blank. Give a specific title that will help the recipient know what the message is about. Know the what about message is. And the next one is attachments. These are files which go with your message. The recipient has to download them in order to read or see them. This is attachment. And the next one, advantages and disadvantages of using email letters. What are the advantages of the email letter and disadvantages of email letters? First of all, we will discuss advantages of email letter. First one is emails are delivered extremely fast when compared to traditional post. Second, in today's business world, the email is the most used tool of communication. The third advantage is of email can be sent 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And fourth, an email is instantly delivered to a recipient. Send this message or information within minutes. The next one is an email is free of charge, requesting only that the sender process an active email account. The next one is sixth one is webmail means emails can be sent and received from any computer anywhere in the world that has an interest connection. When an email is sent, a record is maintained on online services. This means that you can trace your email history and know when you submitted an email. The next one is cheap. When using broadband, each email sent is effectively free. Dial up users are charged at local call rates, but it only takes a few seconds to send an email. The last advantage of the email letter, be careful when you sending attachments. Send them only necessary topics to the others. And disadvantages of email letters. The recipient needs access to the internet to receive email. Second one, watches are easily spread via email. Attachments, most email provides scam emails for virus on your behalf. Phishing, sending an email to a user falsely claiming to be a legitimate company to scam the user into providing information. such as personal information and bank account numbers on a bogus website. The details will then be used for identity thief. Fourth one, no guarantee the mail will be read until the user logs on and checks their email. The next one, spam, unsolicited email, that is junk mail. These are advantages and disadvantages. Now look at some examples of how to write in the examination. Examination point of view, I have given some examples here. Like this is writing in the examination, like this made in the box. From type here your email ID. The examiner will be examples like from email ID to email ID, CC or BCC, subject, attachment, greeting, body of the letter, and subscription signature. This is the examination of writing. This and clearly I have written two examples in this look at here. From, for example, John Paul Chode @gmail.com to raj123 @yahoo.com. This is given to in the examination advertisement. And CC BC add one CC, subject asking information about languages. Attachment add file 1A. Hi sir, my name is Joseph. I am from India. I think you have not had students from India. I want to know something. I wonder if your institution offers any evening courses in French. Since my childhood, I have been since my childhood I have been interested in learning foreign languages. I am rank holder, so I think I can easily do your courses. How much fees should I pay for the course? When shall I submit my application? Give me all the information. Looking forward to an early reply. Yours faithfully, signature and capital letters lo name. One more example is here there. From to CC or BCC subject. Assignment certain clarification. Dear sir, as I try to complete the task you have signed to me, understand I need to consult some more books to gather the required information. Could you please mail me the title of the books available on these subjects, please? Thank you, sir. Yours faithfully, signature and capital letters lo name. And the previous last examination లో టూ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చిన అవి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ఇలా ఇస్తాడు ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో. యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ అన్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మొబైల్ ఫోన్ ఆన్ ది వెబ్సైట్. యూ లైక్ ఇట్, యూ వాంట్ టు బై ఇట్, and so you want to have some details about it. Write an email to manager@bestbuy.com. వాడు ఇచ్చింది. సో ఆల్రెడీ వాడు ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఇచ్చేసాడు ఎవరికి రాయాలో. సో ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ మన ఈమెయిల్ రాసుకుని టు manager@bestbuy.com cc యాడ్ cc. తర్వాత సబ్జెక్ట్ particulars or features of a mobile phone, attachment and some files on a be like this. Next, dear sir, body of the letter. This refers to the mobile phone you have advertised on the website. I am interested in knowing more about it before placing my order for it. Could you please mail the details to me at the earliest? I would like to know its weight, size, available colors, storage capacity, battery life, etc. The next beginning of the line, end of the thank you sir, yours truly, your name. This is the writing of the answer to the advertisement. One more the previous examination లో ఇచ్చిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. One of your friends has recently left for Singapore for doing MS. You miss him or her very much. Write an email to your friend. ఫ్రెండ్ ఈమెయిల్ ఫ్రమ్ అనేది రాసుకుంటే ఫ్రెండ్ యాజ్ యూ విష్. వాడు ఇవ్వలేదు కనుక మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ raju@yahoo.com. సబ్జెక్ట్ మిస్సింగ్ యూ లాట్, డియర్ రాజు, కామా, బాడీ ఆఫ్ ది లెటర్. హౌ ఆర్ యూ దేర్ ఎట్ యువర్ న్యూ ప్లేస్? హియర్ ఐ ఫీల్ దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ లాస్ట్ something very integral to my life. We have been so intimate since our LKG years that I miss I miss so you very much. Sometimes I feel like joining your university somehow, but I know it is not possible now. I hope to see that time heals everything. How do you feel there at a new place with new friends in new climate? It must be more difficult for these. Anyhow, I wish you all the best. Looking forward to seeing you at the earliest. Yours lovingly, friend Soumya. So this is the previous examination ఇచ్చిన 2 examples మీకు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఈ కరస్పాండెన్స్లో మనకి ఈజీగా వచ్చే 5 మార్క్స్. ఇట్లా రాస్తే సరిపోతే అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ఇస్తాడు, ఈ విధంగా మనం రాయాలి అండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఈ కరస్పాండెంట్ శాంపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ in the email letter. So conclude this topic. Utilize this online classes and make notes also. It is used for your at present examination and also further bright future. So thank you so much.